You're going to be seeing a lot of the models soon. So let's take a look at the GLI. How do you like it out here? So people don't know this. They're going to look and see all these awesome shots. Yeah. But tell the truth. What's the temperature like out here?
It's terrible. It's hot. It's humid.
Yep. Got the Pentax K-1 Mark II and the Lumix S5 II. What's your vibe on the car?
I really love this.
All right. The cool seats.
The cool seat, that's cool.
Yeah, there's love, there's hate, lies and games, faith.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to do something a little bit different. So today I'm getting ready to go do a shoot for a very beautiful model, and I'm going to take our Jetta GLI over there because I know she's kind of in the car, so I want to kind of get her feedback and see what she thinks about this car. And also I want to do a comparison between two camera systems that I use. One is a Pentax K-1 Mark II, and it's a full frame DSLR camera. And the other one is my Lumix S5 Mark II. And that one is a mirrorless full frame camera. So I want you guys to, I'll post pictures throughout the shoot and kind of let you guys decide which camera system you like better. And I'll use your votes, I'll use your choice to be my main camera going forward. And I'll try to also do some cinematic shots. I'll throw that in there for you guys as well. But yeah, for all my VDub family, let's see what this model says, how she feels about the Jetta GLI. And yeah, man, without further ado, let's head out, let's go. All right, so before we head out to the photo shoot, first, let me just show you guys what the GLI looks like all by itself, because you're gonna be seeing a lot of the models soon. So let's take a look at the GLI. You guys tell me what you think. I think it's very, it's a sexy, classy car. Let me go take you, it has, GLI right there. It's got cool little Easter eggs, like the Autobahn right there, and it says let's go. Cool little things, you got GLI right there. And then on the interior, you got nice leather seats. I don't know if you guys can see that clearly, but nice leather seats. You got the door sill that lights up there. You got GLI on the mat. Wonderful manual gearbox. Start engine right there. You got heated and cool seats, what else? You got storage there. Oh yeah, let's open this up. Decent back seat space right there. Well, I'm 6'6", so I have the seat pushed all the way back, so not that much on my side, but the other side is pretty good. And great trunk space as well, pretty awesome trunk space. So yeah, I think this thing is pretty awesome, and it fits what we're looking to go do, which is basically like an elegant type of photo shoot. So yeah, let's head out and let's see how this goes. So we're at the shoot. We already started shooting. We got the Pentax K-1 Mark II and the Lumix S5 II, and got my deep dish here that I'm shooting with. And yeah, I just had the model go get outfits so we could change real quick. And I'm going to see if I can get some footage of us shooting. But so far, I'm liking what I see on a viewfinder on the Pentax a little bit more compared to the Lumix. But when we actually bring it home and get it on the computer, that we'll see from there. But yeah, actually, I'm sure you guys want to see the model. So this is her coming here, looking like a biblical figure. Yeah, so I'll wait for her to get close and introduce herself. All right. So you want to introduce yourself to the channel? Well, your name?
Hi everyone, I'm Maria.
All right.
It's my second time.
Second time shooting, yeah.
It's been a whole year.
Yeah, man, it's been a minute.
And some art, so excited.
Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, don't want to get too close over there. But yeah, I told you the first time we shot, I was like, because I think we had a bunch of other people there and stuff, so we weren't really able to throw down. But now we actually able to focus and get in some shots, so I think it's going to be amazing. So let me ask you this, right? Just based on what you've seen so far, which camera you think is like capturing you better? The Pentax is this one. This is one that I went to go get secondary, right? And the Lumix is the one that I started out with here.
Which one is the one that loves me?
The Pentax. Yeah, so we're gonna see. So because it definitely, you could see like a difference, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm gonna see how that goes. But by the way, yeah, I know they're all gonna want to follow you and stuff. So what's your Instagram?
My Instagram is 1.ts_m.3.
All right, bam. So I'll put it here so you guys can go give her a follow. But yeah, let's get back to the shoot. Yes. Ready? They're literally just bothering me, aren't they?
They are. Oh, they're bothering me.
Alright, let's see. Beautiful. Alright, so once you switch hips, like push your hips to the other angle, there you go. There you go, just like that. Just like that. And look out that way, just like that. So how you enjoying the shoot so far?
I'm enjoying it. We're getting some good shoots.
Yeah.
Can't wait for y'all to see it. Can't wait for me to see it. It's gonna be nice.
Yeah, man, we're doing it big. We're doing it big. But how do you like it out here? So people don't know this. They're gonna look and see all these awesome shots.
Yeah.
But tell the truth. What's the temperature like out here?
It's terrible. It's hot. It's humid.
Yep.
It's right now.
But we still making it work, man. We still making it work. All right, let's go.
Sitting there as you pass me by, you said, fill the end. Where are you going? 'Cause I wanna go away with you too. When will I see your sweet smile again? 'Cause you're making me feel so good. When will I feel your soft touch again? 'Cause my feelings should be understood.
All right, so the shoot is finished, and give me your thoughts. How did you like it?
I love the shoot.
All right,
We had to play around with the lighting, but everything else was spot on.
spot on, man. It was definitely a vibe, man. Every time we shoot, it's definitely a vibe.
Definitely a vibe.
Like Trini Colombian vibes. You know what I'm saying?
Best duo.
Yeah, facts. So, what did you think? So, we did do get in a couple shots with the car, and you checked it out for a little bit, the Jetta GLI. So, what are your thoughts on that?
I really love the color.
Okay.
Color, 'cause I love blue.
All right.
What color is that? Like a.
It's called Monument Gray, but it's got like a blue hint to it. Yeah. So you didn't get to see the interior or nothing, but actually we'll probably finish up over there. I'll let you and get it in real time. Bet? All right. So far, what's your vibe on the car?
I really love this.
All right. The cool seats.
The cool seat, that's cool.
All right.
I've been in a Grand Prix side.
Okay. All right.
But I love the vibe of it. I like the red light.
So the thing with the red lighting, though, right, is that we could change it to,
Different colors.
yeah, we could change it if you wanted to pink. So, or we could change it to blue.
I like the blue.
You like the blue?
But I like the red instead because it just matches.
It does match with everything. Yeah, with the red stitching and stuff there. All right. So, as far as like a rating, what would you give this car?
I give it a solid. The cleanliness, the way it looks. I'll give it a solid 9.
Bam. Okay. Yo, y'all heard that? 9 in the chat. Let's go. Yo. So yeah, man, it was awesome shooting with you, man. It was a ton of fun. And yeah, that's it for this one, man. So, anything that you want to say to everybody watching? Introvert. All right. So yeah, man, but that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Race car friends out. Heading back now after the shoot. But look how beautiful that is. Let me see. It's raining, so you guys can't really see, but it's a beautiful scenic area. Like, super scenic. Love shooting out here.